The other thing I want to point out down here, which is one of the design elements that we've really been working on and we always are looking to refine annually as we build these houses, we build new houses. We go through the problems that our contractors have, our subs have, and also after we do our performance testing, our blower door testing on these houses, we try to refine the details to make it work better, be more cost efficient, but also provide the best possible solution for the long-term durability and comfort of the house. And where we've ended up now is that we are developing a continuous air barrier down below the girder line. So at this point right here, which is the underside of our girder, which also happens to be 2 feet above the floodplain, that is the point at which we say we want to have a smooth and flat plane that we can airproof through. And that means that we want to make sure that everything just drops down very simply below that line so that we have a very simple to treat air sealing detail around any penetrations that do need to come down through those places, such as these water main pipes, or what you can't see over here, these sewer main drops and things like that. We make sure they're down below that so we can have a nice seal. You also see we have structural hold downs and we've pulled them down so that they can easily come through there and we can easily just seal this rod and not have this big bracket living inside of that assembly. So what that does is gives us a continuous air barrier that comes right down from the exterior wall, and we've developed that by building the exterior wall down, actually extending the wall of the first floor down an extra foot to meet up with the bottoms of these girders. The old way we used to do it would be to wrap that ceiling, come down, wrap this girder, go up, and that just creates a ton of extra details, and it also makes frustration for people like the plumber who had to run this pipe, and how's he supposed to attach it? And then, well, how are we supposed to build an air barrier there? We're gonna drop the whole ceiling 2 inches? No, so we dropped the whole thing a foot. And now that gives us this great solution where we can fill from here to here with insulation, but not up in the floor, creating a nice air gap to give an even better feeling of warmth on that floor in the winter, and also to bring in and incorporate all of our mechanical services into the conditioned envelope of the building.